Leopard Pattern. Cut Out Eyeliner. Underline with gems. Winged Eyeliner. Cubed Eyeliner. Cleopatra Eyeliner. Creative Wings Eyeliner. Thick underline with gold glitters. Rainbow shadow as underline. Fake double eyelid. Thick underline. Double eyeliner color and black. Tiny cubed eyeliner. Color eyeshadows as eyeliners. Eyeliner only on the water/lash line. Cat eyeliner. Brown smoky eyes. Thick eyeliner. Thin eyeliner. Two-toned eyeliner.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.